Today's video is going to be very special. Landing a date is a difficult task for most men. But once you've successfully landed a first date, there comes the next tricky part. How to make her feel the connection with you in the most attractive way. It all depends on the way you speak. Most men fail dealing with their first date. The thing is, most women cannot feel the connection by the way men speak on their first date. A woman can connect with a man only when she feels an emotional connection with him. This can only happen with the type of questions you ask her. So, the next question comes: what questions to ask? Who better than a woman can tell you this? So, I've asked a few women to help me out for this video. I've made a list of few questions that I felt are very important for men to ask a woman on their first date. So, this video is going to be in a woman's perspective. Let's get started.
Number 1. What my aspirations are. He should be interested in my goals and future without getting too deep or serious, since we're just meeting one another. What he has to do is be very calm and slow. Just take it like if he is speaking with a newborn baby. We women are almost the same. Like a newborn baby, a man should ask us about what our goals are. It's really important, because women want both emotional as well as mental support from our future partner. But he should also keep in mind that it's our first time meeting. He should not get too deep into the career conversation. Number 2. I like when a guy asks about my family. How you talk about siblings and parents reveals so much about who you are as a person, your relationships, and maturity. We women love to speak about our family a lot. Women love to speak a lot about their dad, those crazy days spent with their siblings. Yes, it tells us a lot about how interested a man is to know about our relationship with our family. It's a very deep thing. It's not just interest, as well as his mentality. If you are still watching, and you want a second part of this video, let's just hit 30 likes. Number 3. When you were a kid, what did you want to be when you grew up? This shows you what my initial interests were. Even if it was ridiculous, gives insight into how I used to be, and how that's differed over the years. This is funny yet interesting question. This question brings out our childhood dreams and fantasies, which women think is too cute to be asked. It's funny, yet most of the times it brings up our hidden fantasies we don't share a lot. Number 4. Ask me about my likes and interests. Everything is usually very surface level on a first date, so having a guy ask me deeper questions would be a breath of fresh air, and I'd be more interested in return. It's very important in building a new relationship. Know a woman's interest is kind of a very good thing. We might love Netflix series or Korean drama. Whatever it might be, asking about our interests is going to make the conversation last longer. It also means a man should be a very good listener as well. Number 5. What's on your bucket list? Asking about bucket list, this is a very pretty question, because we as women have very few yet interesting things to do, like having a wardrobe completely full of clothes, shoes, blah blah blah. There are many such different things for us to do. It's not just clothes. Finally, why asking the right question is very important. It tells women about what type of a man he is based on the questions he asks. We think of going on a second date, or completely denying him. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.